Hey there, this is Peg and Steve from Loves to Travel. We have arrived on our location for the next 2 days. This is part of our final destination.
Welcome to Rapid City, South Dakota.
Yes, we are at the Holiday Inn at Rapid City, South Dakota, and this is our room. As you come in, you will have the bathroom on your right side. And this one has a tub with one of those curtain rods that go outside, the expandable curtain rods on the outside of the curtain rods. You have the towel bar with towels, toilet, paper holder. You have a standard sink, lighted mirror. That's the newest trendy thing, is the lighted mirrors, the square sinks, faucet, more towels here. And then you also have a little refrigerator. Let's check out the refrigerator. Oh, it does have a freezer section. Oh wow, this is a pretty big size fridge. A Keurig coffee maker. A microwave. And this has 2 queen size beds. Oh good, it does have the side tables. I don't like getting queen size rooms because usually you don't get 2 side tables, but this one has the other side table I can move. So I can use that as a side table. So you have 2 queen size beds. You have plugs here, plenty of plugs, lights, USB port, and they actually do give you a phone and an alarm clock. More lights here. Over here. The chair, light. Very cool looking. It looks really pretty modern, pretty recently done. So the hotel's not that old. And let's see, the closet. The newer hotels are going closetless, so they don't have to make it. So this one is just a wardrobe area, and there's a safe. So we are at the Holiday Inn in Rapid City, South Dakota. We'll be doing a tour of the downstairs. Stay tuned. So we're walking to the lobby area. And next to the elevators, they put us on floor 4, are the ice machines. So there's an ice machine on every floor. And because of COVID, there is social distancing. You only are allowed 3 persons or 1 travel party. And you are required to wear face masks, coverings all the time. Okay, so we're going downstairs. Just for your safety, do not touch any surfaces in the elevator except floor buttons. The one thing I do love about this hotel is that they have the numbers at the walls. There's the computer area in the lobby. And they do have hand sanitizers here, plus tissues here. Here's the lobby area for food. They do serve breakfast for their tables here. Television. There's some decorative art. So they have tables that seat 4 with some couches, some tables that seat 2 that looks outside. Here's the trash, has a table. So this is where they serve breakfast. They serve it to you now versus getting it to yourself. They do have things set up on this table for breakfast. But this is where they have breakfast. Usually trays are only here and nothing else. It is a little windy outside, so outside there's a bench. There is a small pantry. Not much in here. So there's a small pantry, the pantry area where you can buy items. And down this way, there are restrooms in case you need to know. And guest laundry, ice that way. Let's go take a look at those in the business center. So here's like ice machine on the first floor. Bathrooms on the first floor. Laundry. There we go. Laundry is open. So this is a laundry. So there's a guest laundry in here. This is pretty cool. So there's two washers, and it costs $2 for each one. Price $2 to wash and dry. So there's a laundry area. Fitness area. To the fitness area. Here's the fitness area. There's the weight bench. Couple machines. Cycle, elliptical, weight bench, weights, water, sanitizing. Let's see if this is dry. This is pretty dry, so that means, okay, let's get a new one so I can wipe stuff down. Yes. It has towels. That's pretty cool. So checking out the breakfast here this morning, there are bagels, fruit, cereal. So they're serving you basically items. So you have to ask for it and they'll serve it to you. That's how they're handling it during COVID. Just before, remember, you could do the pancakes. So now you can't. That's what's changed.
Little things in life excite us, that's for sure. At the Holiday Inn Express in Rapid City, and obviously they're serving you rather than having you go through a buffet. But cinnamon rolls, I love their cinnamon rolls here. But the coolest thing is check this out. This is the spork, I guess is what you call it. They've got a fork on one side and a knife on the other, and all you do is you pop the knife out, and you have a knife and a fork. This is so cool. So I just wanted to show you that. And the cinnamon rolls. So little things in life excite me.
Just a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Also the bell notification button below. That way you'll get notified when we put up future videos. And we'd love for you to hit that like button below as well. Love for you to do that. And as always, thanks for watching.